In this QDS training video, you will learn how to add an edit element to do a given number of elements following if a condition is met. With edit elements in QDS, there are different possible resolutions for a condition. In this example, we will learn how to use the reconciliation elements follow this option. This can be thought of as, if a certain condition is met, then do. This is sometimes more convenient to program than, if a certain condition is met, then skip. Similar to a skip element, you can select 1 to 5 elements to go forward or go forward to a marker destination. For this example, we will return to the cigarette questions in our health survey. In the earlier training video about adding a skip element, we skipped to the end of the tobacco section if our leading question, which is, have you ever smoked a cigarette, was not equal to yes. Note our variable name and that this is a yes-no response type question. In this example, we will instead use an edit element to follow that same progression. Following the lead-in question, there are additional items about using cigarettes that we would only like to ask if the leading question was equal to yes or 1. To add in the edit element, first select the line where you would like the questions to begin. For this example, we will want to start asking questions only if the leading question was equal to yes. So we would highlight, how old were you the first time you smoked a cigarette? Next, select the Edit Element button on the Insert toolbar. You will see the Edit Element tab with an if box. This is where you will enter your condition. In this example, we will enter the following. This will tell QDS that we want to do a given number of follow-up elements if the lead-in question was equal to yes. Remember that all elements except for comments are counted. Also, notice that you will always use variable names and numeric response codes in your statements. For edit elements, there is also the option of adding a message to be displayed when the edit is triggered. For this example, we prefer not to have a message, so we will check the Perform Without Message box. The next option to select is the reconciliation process. For this example, we will choose the second option. Reconciliation elements follow this. Then you will select the number of elements or marker destination. Since we will be telling QDS to do more than 5 elements, if the lead-in cigarette question was equal to 1 or yes, the destination will be a marker. In the earlier training video about adding a skip element, we defined a marker for the end of the tobacco section. It was named as follows, and we put that marker name in the marker box. Then we'll select OK, and we'll see our edit element in our listing. And this reads that when our condition is met, the elements up to the marker will be completed. Note that edit elements are red and show you the destination, and you can also see the indentation. As always, be sure to build and test your survey frequently during development to be sure that all edits are working as you intended. To learn how to add additional types of questions, responses, or edits, see QDS Online Help or other Design Studio videos.